Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss one numerical question on the pipeline. First, let me read out the question, then we will solve it. Three instructions are executing using 4-stage pipeline. Stage 1 takes 1 nanosecond, stage 2 takes 2 nanosecond, stage 3 take 1 nanosecond and stage 4 takes 1 nanosecond. Till now whatever the questions we have solved, all the stages are taking equal number of time. But whereas here stage 2 is taking 2 nanoseconds and other stages are taking 1 nanosecond each. Then they are asking us to compute the efficiency. How we can calculate the efficiency of a pipeline architecture is number of cycles utilized by total number of cycles. To know the total number of cycles and how many cycles are utilized, I need to construct the stage time diagram. Okay, we'll call it as stage time diagram analysis. Okay, so we will have y-axis stages. How many stages are there? 4 stages are there. I will write it as stage 1, stage 2, stage 3 and stage 4. How many instructions I need to execute? 3 instructions, I1, I2, I3. Okay. Now, instruction 1 will execute 1 nanosecond in stage 1. Once it is finished, it will go to stage 2 and execute for 2 nanoseconds. Okay. And then once it is finished its execution in stage 2, it will go to stage 1 and execute for 1 nanosecond. And then it will go for stage 4 and execute for 1 nanoseconds. Okay. So once you reach the 5th nanosecond, you can complete the execution of first instruction. Now once the instruction 1 goes to the stage 2, meaning is that if it leaves the stage 1, then only instruction 2 can enter to the stage 1. When the instruction 1 is leaving, here it is leaving, so you can start executing the instruction 2 in stage 1 at the 2nd nanosecond. Now when it can reach here, it can reach here only. Am I right or wrong? Because once the stage 2 means instruction 1 completes its operations in stage 2 and leaves to the stage 3, then only you can start executing the instruction 2 in stage 2. So here it is stall cycle. Then how many nanoseconds it will take? It will take 2 nanoseconds to execute the instruction 2 in stage 2. Then only it will go to stage 3 and then execute for 1 nanosecond and it will go to stage 4. Okay, so at the 7th nanosecond you have executed the second instruction. Now if you see that here only the instruction 3 can start executing its operations. Okay, then it will execute 2 nanoseconds in stage 2 and then it will go to stage 3 and it will go to stage 4. So totally we took 9 nanoseconds to execute 3 instructions using this 4-stage pipeline. So remaining all are stall cycles. Wherever you are not able to utilize the cycle, we will call it as a stall cycle. Okay. So now we need to calculate the efficiency. Efficiency is equal to number of cycles utilized. How many cycles you have utilized? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 cycles you have utilized. Out of how many cycles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fours are 36 cycles are there. Out of 36 cycles, you have utilized only 15 cycles. So I hope you have understood how I computed the efficiency for this question. If you still have any doubts related to this question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in less than 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.